I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling.
All right, so here is under the hood. As you can see, this monstrosity here is gonna be going bye-bye, and I'm gonna be replacing it with that nice cold air intake that I just got. I have no idea what this craziness is. Probably some super smart, overpaid engineer thought that it might save, you know, 0.01 miles per gallon or something, which it probably does. I have no idea, but it's goofy as heck and it's gonna go bye-bye. Plus it's hiding my alternator and I don't like that. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get to the unboxing and then do the install and do a final video. So here we go. All right, so here is the cold air intake system completely unboxed, all the components that came with it. I think it's a pretty good deal. Got it on eBay for 90 bucks. Really can't be beat for the price. There's more expensive ones like K&N and all these other ones for like $400 or $500, but I don't see wasting my money on something like that. You know, I just wanted something simple, something pretty nice. Yeah, not too bad. There's a couple flaws here and there. Probably can polish them out, but overall, so far, so good. So let's get cooking on the install. All right, guys, well, there she is, fully installed. I think she looks pretty good and cleans up under the hood nicely. And I think it just looks badass in all honesty. So what I like also is that it actually shows off my alternator a lot better without that big resonator sticking in the way. And just cleans it up nicely, I think. So just wanted to show a final result here. I'm pretty happy with it. Let me come around the other side here. Yeah. Had an extra Mechman sticker laying around, so threw it on there. There it is. Awesome.